Hey everyone, welcome back to this Thursday weekly update. Today is Thursday, September the 17th. This week we opened quite a few boxes, so I hope you stick around to check that out. Didn't have a chance to make a video last week, but right back at it this week to bring you this. All these boxes that we opened. So without further ado, let's get right into this video. And that does it for this week. I want to thank you all so much for keeping up with our channel. Come checking out these videos. All these boxes that I opened, everything that you see there will be linked in the description below, so you can go click on those links and check everything out. But like this video if you enjoyed it. Hit the subscribe button if you're new here with the bell next to it so you get notified when we upload. And we'll see you next week.